In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete filter view in Google Sheets. If you've opened a spreadsheet and it looks like rows are missing or totals don't add up, chances are you're looking at a filter view. Filter views let you temporarily hide rows based on certain criteria, which is great for analysis, but confusing if you weren't expecting it. A quick way to tell you're in one is the dark bar that appears across the top of the grid with the filter view's name on the left and some controls on the right. If you just want to get back to seeing all your data without changing anything permanently, the fastest fix is to close the active filter view. Look to the right side of that dark filter view bar and click the X. The moment you do, the spreadsheet returns to its full, unfiltered state. Nothing is deleted, and your data is exactly as it was, now fully visible again. There's another way to exit a filter view if you prefer using menus. Go to the Data menu, hover over Filter Views, and choose Exit View. This does the same thing. It turns off the current filter view so you can see everything. This menu is also a helpful place to confirm whether a filter view is active at all, especially if you're collaborating and not sure what someone else set up. Now, if you're certain you no longer need a particular filter view and you don't want it cluttering the filter views list, you can delete it. While the filter is active, look again to the right side of that dark bar and click the 3 vertical dots. From the menu that appears, click Delete. This removes the saved view from the file, so it won't show up in your menus anymore. Deleting a filter view does not remove any data. It only clears the saved filtering configuration. You'll need edit access to see the delete option. If you don't have permission, you can exit the view, but you won't be able to remove it. A quick tip to avoid confusion: filter views are different from the basic filter toggle. Filter views are saved, named configurations that collaborate well because they don't affect what others see unless they open the same view. The basic filter, on the other hand, can change what everyone sees. If you're unsure which one you're in, that dark filter view bar is the giveaway. To recap, use the X or Data, Filter Views, Exit View to turn it off, and use the 3 dots. Delete to remove it for good. With these options, you can keep your spreadsheets clean, consistent, and easy to navigate.